Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX. This time, we're jetting off to the dazzling island nation of Singapore. Get ready for 7 days packed with mind-blowing experiences. Day 1 in Singapore. We're kicking things off at the iconic Marina Bay Sands. Take a dip in the famous infinity pool. Hotel guests only, but hey, a little window shopping never hurt anyone. Next, we're off to Gardens by the Bay, a futuristic wonderland of super trees and colorful blooms. It's like stepping into another planet. We'll wrap up at Merlion Park, home to the mythical Merlion statue. Getting around Singapore is a breeze thanks to their awesome public transport system. Grab an Easy Link card, hop on the MRT, and you'll be zipping around like a local in no time. Around Marina Bay, you're spoiled for choice. For a fancy dinner, head to Spago by Wolfgang Puck at Marina Bay Sands. Reservations highly recommended. Day 2 takes us to the action-packed Sentosa Island. Get ready for a day filled with thrills, spills, and unforgettable memories. First up, Universal Studios Singapore. Get your adrenaline pumping on thrilling rides, meet your favorite movie characters, and let your inner child run wild. Next, dive into a world of wonder at the S.E.A. Aquarium. Prepare to be mesmerized by marine life from all corners of the globe. Getting to Sentosa Island is part of the adventure. You can take the scenic cable car ride, hop on the Sentosa Express monorail, or even walk across the Sentosa boardwalk for some incredible views. After a day of adventure, refuel at one of Sentosa's many dining options. For a casual bite, check out Malaysian Food Street for some seriously tasty hawker fare. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the vibrant tapestry of Singapore's Chinatown on Day 3. We're diving into the heart of this cultural gem, starting with the stunning Buddha Tooth Relic Temple. Marvel at the intricate details and soak in the peaceful atmosphere. Next, we're off to satisfy those rumbling tummies at the legendary Maxwell Food Centre. This hawker center is a foodie institution, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Navigating Chinatown is a breeze. The MRT will get you close to the action, and then it's all about exploring the colorful streets and soaking up the lively atmosphere. Keep an eye out for those hidden alleyways. You never know what treasures you might find. Hold on to your senses, folks, because Day 4 takes us on a vibrant journey through Little India. Get ready for a sensory overload of colors, aromas, and flavors. First stop, the Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple, a riot of color and one of the oldest Hindu temples in Singapore. Next, we're off to tantalize those taste buds at the Tekka Center. This bustling hawker center is a melting pot of flavors, with Indian, Chinese, and Malay stalls all vying for your attention. Getting to Little India is easy peasy. The MRT's Little India station will drop you right in the heart of the action. After you've had your fill of delicious food, why not explore the side streets of Little India? You'll find shops selling everything from colorful saris to fragrant spices. Day 5. From shopping sprees to serene parks. Get those credit cards ready, because Day 5 is all about shopping till you drop on Orchard Road. This world-famous shopping street is a shopaholic's paradise, with everything from luxury brands to local boutiques. We're also diving into Singapore's history at the National Museum of Singapore. Get ready to travel through time and discover the fascinating story of this incredible nation. And to end the day on a tranquil note, we're escaping the city buzz at Fort Canning Park. This historical park is the perfect place to relax, recharge, and soak up some greenery. The MRT has stations along Orchard Road, making it a breeze to navigate the shopping haven. After all that shopping and exploring, you're gonna work up an appetite. Luckily, Orchard Road is a culinary wonderland. Day 6. A wild adventure awaits. Get ready for a wild adventure on Day 6 as we explore Singapore's amazing wildlife parks. First up, we're off to the Singapore Zoo, consistently ranked among the best in the world. Get ready for some close encounters with orangutans, elephants, and a whole host of amazing creatures. As the sun begins to set, our adventure continues at the enchanting night safari. Experience the magic of the animal kingdom under the stars. And to complete our wildlife journey, we're venturing into the lush greenery of the river safari. Hop aboard a boat and journey through the world's rivers, encountering incredible creatures along the way. The parks offer shuttle buses from various locations, and you can also easily access them by taxi or public transport. Day 7. City skylines and final farewells. Day 7, and it's time to soak up those last few moments in this incredible city. We're starting our day with a stroll along the Singapore River, exploring the historic districts of Clarke Quay and Boat Quay. Next, it's time to take our Singapore adventure to new heights, literally. We're soaring above the city on the iconic Singapore Flyer, taking in panoramic views of this breathtaking island nation. As our adventure draws to a close, let's treat our taste buds to one last culinary adventure. Singapore's food scene is off the charts, so whether you're craving hawker fare, Michelin-starred dining, or anything in between, you're in for a treat. As you bid farewell to this incredible city, take a moment to appreciate the memories you've made and the experiences you've had. And there you have it, folks, your ultimate 7-day adventure through the incredible city of Singapore. For 2 people, you can expect to spend around $2,800 to $3,500. When it comes to packing, think light clothing, comfortable walking shoes, and a hat and sunglasses to beat the heat. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more epic travel adventures. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.